Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion on your iPad. First, ensure you have the Notion app installed from the App Store. Once downloaded, simply log in using your existing credentials or create a brand new account if you are a first-time user. The iPad interface is optimized for touch, making navigation and interaction incredibly smooth and responsive. You'll find it easy to jump right in and start organizing your thoughts and projects. Navigating your Notion workspace on the iPad is straightforward. To reveal your sidebar, just swipe right from the left edge of your screen. This sidebar is your command center, allowing you to effortlessly switch between all your pages, databases, and linked workspaces. If you need to locate something specific, the search bar at the very top of the screen provides instant results, helping you find any piece of content in just a few taps. It's designed for efficiency. Creating and organizing content in Notion on your iPad is highly flexible. To add new elements, simply tap the plus icon, which allows you to create new pages, databases, or even pre-built templates. Rearranging content is as easy as dragging and dropping blocks to your desired position on any page. For quick formatting and adding various block types, utilize the intuitive slash commands by typing a /, offering dozens of options at your fingertips. To truly master Notion on your iPad, explore some advanced features. You can enable offline mode, allowing you to access and edit your most important pages even without an internet connection, ensuring productivity anywhere. Consider adding Notion widgets to your iPad home screen for one-tap access to your favorite pages or databases. Furthermore, leverage Notion's share sheet extensions to seamlessly integrate content from other applications directly into your workspace, enhancing your workflow significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.